Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Zomato's Q3 FY22 numbers and also some interesting developments in Zomato. एक्चुअली कंपनी जब लिस्ट हुआ था तभी मैंने वीडियो बनाया था और उसके बाद मैं अभी वीडियो बना रहा हूँ जोमेटो के ऊपर एंड डिड नॉट डिस्कस क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट प्रीवियस क्वार्टर रिजल्ट्स ऑफ जोमेटो बट अभी जोमेटो का प्राइस भी सिग्निफिकेंटली नीचे आया हुआ है. It is now around 88 rupees and it may go down. It is likely to go down in coming days. ये जो कुछ स्टार्टअप्स या कुछ नए बिजनेस मॉडल्स इंटरनेट बेस्ड बिजनेस मॉडल्स रिसेंटली लिस्ट हुए उनमें से जो जाने माने हैं वो एक नायका है, एक पेटीएम है, पॉलिसी बाजार एंड दिस जोमेटो. सो ये जो चंक है पेटीएम, नायका, जोमेटो और पॉलिसी बाजार, we chose Zomato as our choice. बाकी जो बिजनेस मॉडल से पेटीएम, नायका और पॉलिसी बाजार, I am not that much interested in those companies and I don't find it that interesting. But Zomato I find interesting. और ये जो पूरा हाइपर लोकल डिलीवरी ऐप का पूरा बिजनेस, ये जो सेगमेंट है यही मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है. सो I am going to discuss about this Q3 result and the company's report which they filed with stock exchanges. थोड़ा वीडियो लंबा हो सकता है. So let's begin with the financial statements जो Q3 में फाइल किए जोमेटो ने. We'll go through that and then we'll discuss about company's developments. Here is a picture in front of you. As you can see in the picture, the revenue stands around 1200 crore, 1259 crore, and the loss for the period is 67 crore. So they have reduced the losses significantly, right uh, from 434 crore in September quarter to directly 68 crore. So last year in this quarter they had losses of 352 crores. Now they are quoting 68 crores, 67.2 to be precise. 9 monthly losses stands at 862 crores, which are relatively higher than last year pandemic year tha. So 9 months of last year not really comparable. So this is the financial update. Only problem what I have noticed in entire this whatever they have filed, millions of rupees, millions of dollars, billions of rupees and billions of dollars. ये जो यूनिट्स इन्होंने यूज किए, दिस क्रिएट्स अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. आई मीन मिलियंस ऑफ रुपीज, मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स, ये बिलियंस ऑफ रुपीज. नाउ बिलियन इंडिया में यूजुअली नहीं यूज होता है, रुपीज, बिलियन ऑफ रुपीज. बिलियन यूजुअली डॉलर टर्म्स में ही, आई मीन वो जो बैक ऑफ द माइंड है कैलकुलेशन, इट ऑलवेज गोज इनटू डॉलर. और वैसे भी यूनिट्स अमेरिकन है. सो we should have, I mean, it should have been crores, plain crores of rupees, and that's it. So I don't know, and even though if you are using millions of rupees और billions of rupees, तो वही आपने पूरे entire report में discuss करना चाहिए था, but वैसा नहीं है. So that is one problem. I mean, वो confusion create करता है understanding में. Why to create confusion when it's a public company? जो है वो आप सीधे सीधे बता दो, वो तो आपको बता नहीं है, बट जस्ट बाय चेंजिंग दिस यूनिट्स नंबर बड़ा छोटा होता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट, आई मीन व्हाट सेटिस्फैक्शन इज देयर बाय यूजिंग सब डिफरेंट यूनिट्स ऑफ करेंसीज और डिफरेंट 10 रुपए को आपने कुछ 1000 पैसे बोल दिया. आई मीन हाउ डज इट मेक सेंस? ठीक है. एनीवे, दैट इज वन थिंग आई मीन आई हैव फाउंड little disturbing. So here we will move ahead. This is first picture in front of you. Our performance in last quarter, impressive. compared to FY21. FY21 का जो Q3 था, that was not a, I mean, इतना लॉकडाउन जैसा सिनारियो नहीं था. It was well functional quarter, although not comparable, but Q2 FY22 is definitely comparable. So as you can see, it is improving. Adjusted revenue, they have seen jump of 78% over the last year. That is impressive. Uh, Again, gross order value. Next picture. So also termed as GOV. अभी ये 55 बिलियन रुपीस का है. सो एंड $733 million. Okay. QOQ sequential growth 1.7%, which is okay, and YOY it's sharply increased by 84%. So substantial growth on a YOY basis. Key performance indicators. ये आपके सामने एक पिक्चर है. Key performance indicators. New users acquired. This I think little interesting, as you can see this picture. FY22 मतलब आप समझिए Q1 FY22 मतलब लास्ट ईयर का अप्रैल का क्वार्टर, विच वॉज सेकेंड. वो वहाँ वहीं लिखा है उन्होंने. New users acquired, as you can see in FY22, they have done very well. Even though there was a second wave in Q2 FY22, they have done good job. And they have mentioned that Q2 FY22 new user acquisition was higher than usual due to increase in marketing spends to capitalize on COVID-led Q1 FY22 growth momentum. Yes, there was a second wave in Q1. Still, they have managed to get good number of new users. Okay. Second parameter is average monthly transacting users. That has also increased significantly over the past 5 quarters, and now it is around 15 million users, active monthly transacting users. Average monthly active food delivery restaurants on its platform now stands as 191,000 food delivery restaurant. That is again impressive. Average monthly active delivery partners. This might be fluctuating as per the demand and supply. 296,000. That is 2,96,000 active delivery partners with Zomato. So ये performance का एक indicator, key performance indicators which are good. Now magic countdown, ये जो न्यू ईयर 31st December जो दिन रहता है, this becomes an important day for this platforms. And Dipender Goyal जो CEO है कंपनी के, दे that person is active on Twitter on this New Year's Eve, and they are continuously tweeting कि क्या क्या current. वो it was interesting, and this year they clocked $18 million GOV, which is 78% higher than 2020. So again impressive. We hit 2.6 million orders on that day. 31st December 2021, 2.6 million orders in a single day. So point is that they were able to handle this sort of surge in orders. That is more important. Hyperpure इनका एक platform है which supplies material to restaurants. This is a performance indicator for that. This is also doing well, and QOQ growth is very impressive. Almost 40% growth QOQ. YOY तो ठीक है. Uh, this is impressive. QOQ, and this platform might emerge as something B2B, strong B2B platform. Okay. Average monthly active food delivery restaurants कोविड ये ईयर वाइज दिया है पिछले 5 साल का 164,000 in FY21, calendar year 21. Again impressive, एंड पैंडेमिक में थोड़ा कम हुआ था बट दैट वाज मार्जिनल डिक्लाइन. इनफैक्ट पैंडेमिक propelled this business model. You can see monthly transacting customers of the company. That is also impressive. Pre-COVID level से भी growth ज़्यादा हुआ इस साल. India food delivery GOV, and as you can see the Zomato has grown significantly. Okay, customers with annual order frequency more than 50 orders, million, number is in million. So 1.8 million customers are there. These customers order more than 50 times in a year annually. So this is also impressive figure. The dark purple color जो है वो annual frequency इनका 100 से ज्यादा है. So that is also impressive. So 100 से ज्यादा order in a year. So almost it's like एक 3-4 दिन में एक ऑर्डर प्लेस करने वाले कस्टमर भी सिग्निफिकेंट है. I was looking at that area. Okay. Average order value over the years, as you can see, now it is 401 rupees. Actually, number of users बढ़ने के वजह से भी it's there might be averaging of this, but good. This is impressive. Average order जो है उसका अगर 400 रुपए का है तो it makes good sense, really. Now let's come to the interesting discussion on of regarding this report. Capital allocation. ये मैं थोड़ा डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा. कंपनी थोड़ा बाकी भी चीजें कंपनी के बारे में बहुत डिस्कस होती है कि प्रोसीड्स जो कंपनी के है दे आर अक्वायरिंग सम कंपनीज विच आर नॉट डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू देयर बिजनेस मॉडल. सो ये एक थोड़ा पब्लिक से जब आपने पैसा लिया है तो इट बिकम्स लिटिल मैटर ऑफ कंसर्न हाउ यू आर यूजिंग द आईपीओ प्रोसीडिंग्स. So here the company has some clarification on this. We are currently well capitalized with $1.7 billion cash on our balance sheet. We don't envisage raising cash in foreseeable future. With this capital, we plan to focus on two key areas of investment in our business. First is core food business, which is their core business, including food ordering and delivery, dining out, and our B2B supplies business Hyperpure. We will need to continue to fund the growth investments here till the business becomes profitable. Now the margins are very loss के margins जो है वो काफी thin है ये quarter में, which is around 68 crores. So next quarter we might see Zomato becoming profitable. We might see. Quick commerce ये interesting area है. This category offers a huge addressable market and is also very synergistic with our food delivery business in long term, giving us a right to win over standalone players. I'll discuss on this. Just I want to read the next para. We made cash investments of what $225 million in past year across three companies: Blinkit, erstwhile Grofers, Shiprocket, and Magic Pin towards our objective of building out quick e-commerce in India. नाउ ये जो क्विक ई कॉमर्स आपको शायद पता होगा 10 मिनट्स डिलीवरी 15 मिनट्स डिलीवरी ये जो है ये दिस सीम्स टू बी नेक्स्ट बिग वेव इन ई कॉमर्स. स्विगी का एक प्लेटफॉर्म है इंस्टामार्ट. उसके ऊपर भी काफी डिस्कशन चला है दैट हाउ दे आर एबल टू do this and whether it would be sustainable or not, but it has potential. So Zomato is also looking into this and Grofers जो है Blinkit now. These investments, I mean, they see potential in this quick commerce in upcoming years, and the shift towards this quick commerce is very rapid. People are adapting to these new offerings very quickly. So big basket है from Tata. We have Amazon का Amazon Fresh and Amazon Pantry है. In addition to this, Zomato का तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but this they are Blinkit, Grofers के साथ they are moving ahead in this category. Also जो बाकी के जो players है ये market में, there are many startups which are actively looking at this market. Amazon being one of the major player, Jio Mart इसमें क्विक कॉमर्स में नहीं है, बट जियो मार्ट कुड बी वन ऑफ द मेजर प्लेयर इन दिस. डीमार्ट का भी जो सर्विस है डीमार्ट रेडी, वो भी कहीं ना कहीं आगे जाके ये स्पेस में एक मेजर प्लेयर बन सकता है. जस्ट टू गिव अ ब्रॉडर सिनेरियो ऑफ दिस क्विक कॉमर्स. सो इवन आई थिंक दैट दिस कुड बी इंटरेस्टिंग प्ले. ये 10-15 मिनट्स डिलीवरी है. इट विल बिकम न्यू नॉर्मल इन कमिंग ईयर्स. Yeah, yeah, that was about this company's Q3 filings. So, to be very precise and narrow, जो शेयर का रेट है, the market price is 88 and market cap is around 70,000 crore. स्टिल इट लुक्स एक्सपेंसिव, बट ये नीचे आने के थोड़े चांसेस है, बिकॉज ये जो पूरे बिजनेस मॉडल्स है ऑफ दिस कैटेगरी, उनका वैल्यूएशन नीचे आ रहा है. पेटीएम का तो वी ऑल नो दैट इट हैज ऑलमोस्ट करेक्टेड 50% फ्रॉम इट्स लिस्टिंग प्राइस. So that remains a matter of concern. But Zomato, out of these, all these things, all these companies, Zomato looks interesting to me, and they have real probability to generate profit in long term. और ये जो हाइपर लोकल है मॉडल डिलीवरी का, इट इज वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग एंड इट एड्स एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू वेयर इट इज नीडेड. आगे जाके बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, एंड स्टार्टअप कंपनी का खासियत यही है कि दे टैप अपॉर्चुनिटीज वेरी क्विकली. So that was about the Zomato's Q3 filing and a broad update on whatever happened in last 1 or 2 quarters, जो मैंने पहले वीडियो नहीं बनाया था इसलिए. So thank you for watching the video. Do share this video with your friend, relatives and like-minded people. Subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. ये चैनल पे मैं इंटर टेक्स्ट एंड इमेजेस भी शेयर करते रहता हूँ through community pages, community page of YouTube. So that text messages, if you want to uh, avail that facility, please subscribe to the channel ताकि वो आपको दिखते रहे images and text messages which I share on the channel. हमारे Twitter और Instagram accounts भी है, you can follow that for some more updates. Thank you.